Dude, I see a nice sized red horse. I think that's a bass in between them. If I get like a 3-pound bass on a fucking worm, bro. Dude, there's some big suckers. Like, not all these are small, bro. There's like a couple like 3-pounders out there. Oh, like, fucker. Oh, is it a chub? Oh, it's a river chub. My first one.
Nice.
Yeah, river chub. That's crazy, bro. They look so cool. See you, buddy.
And they can't see it as well.
Mm-hmm.
Like, they're not spooking off of anything. You got one?
Yeah. Something nice.
Small one.
Fast.
Yeah, it's that same one as...
So I'm off on a worm.
Messing with our stuff for a while.
I'm so accomplished. At least I got a good hook set. At least I didn't kill it.
Kill it, dude. That's a
Pretty little smallmouth. Dude, he has something weird going on with his belly. You see that?
Yeah. Probably because it spawned out.
See, buddy. Yo, I got one. Yeah, sucker. Get in here, buddy. Oh, I don't have the net. That's so sick. It's not a big one, but it's cool looking. Beautiful golden red horse there. He's probably about 15 or so inches. Beautiful fish. Let's get him unhooked. He's just about 16. Beautiful 16-inch golden red horse. See you, buddy. Well, of course I forgot to hit record for this one, but I got this nice golden red horse here. This guy actually gave a really good fight. He was scream drag. It was really cool. I wish I got it on camera, but of course I didn't even hit record. Let's see how long he is. 19 inches, 19-inch sucker. Cool. Beautiful one, 19 inches, 2.7 pounds. See, buddy. Oh shit. Yo, this isn't good. I can't tell if he's snagged or if he's just wrapped up in that line. Yeah, he was just wrapped up. He's in the mouth, I think. Oh, nice. That thing peeled off. Another one. Another beautiful red horse. This one's crazy looking. He has like a bunch of bumps on his face. It's cool. Super pretty fish. I'm just gonna throw this guy back. See you, buddy. Yeah. You what? What?
It's a big one.
Snake?
What?
Or a hogsucker?
Snake.
Oh. I'm gonna get it?
Yeah, dude, should we catch both?
I got this one that squirted shit all over me. If you can...
Oh, net it.
Yeah, this is the little one.
Dude.
You can fit through the net.
Oh, dude.
Oh, we lost him. Fuck.
Dude, he's so fast.
Hey, at least we got the big one. Ah, you fucker.
Is it biting?
Look, dude, he just latched on. Dude, this is the most aggressive snake I've ever held. Ow.
Dude, holy fuck.
This thing, dude, that hurt.
Dude. Yeah, dude. I'm glad I didn't grab that one, dude.
Mean.
Just catch a little shiner and you could probably feed it.
Do you want to try getting one? I'm nervous to put him down.
Oh, he missed it. I don't know if he's gonna be able to eat it that way.
He's gonna try.
He's gonna have to rearrange it.
He's gonna want to run away, but I want to watch him eat it.
Yeah, he's got to get. He's trying to rearrange it right now.
Yeah. That's so cool how they just work their way up.
I know.
Left, right, left, right.
Look at that, dude.
But I'm literally holding the snake
Oh,
and he's eating.
he's got it now. Dude. I don't know if he's gonna be able. Is that gonna be too?
Yeah, he's gonna be able to eat it. Snakes are crazy.
Dude, that is so fucking awesome.
That's so cool, dude.
That'll last him a good while.
Yeah.
But the circle around it, you know, the skin design, it's very typical of a snake back in India that when I grew up. It's called krait, K-R-I-T.
Oh yeah, I've heard of those.
Yeah, they are almost exactly like that.
There's another one. We fed that one earlier.
Oh,
That one's fat too. Yeah, there's two of them. That's cool. The other one we just gave a minute
Yeah,
right
yeah.
there. What do you got? Oh, dude, no way. Oh, dude, you got him. Look at that, bro. Dude, that's so fucking cool.
Look at his face.
Can I hold it?
No.
Dude, that thing's crazy. You want me to unhook it? Oh my god. Oh, he jizzed on me.
Did he really?
He just splooged all over my leg, bro.
Look at his square face, dude.
Hogsuckers are so awesome, dude.
Someone tried to eat him, see that?
Yeah. That's so cool, dude. I need to lock in right now. I got one. Oh my god. First ever northern hogsucker. Yo, Sam. Little one, yeah. That's so cool. These guys have eluded me for so long. First ever northern hogsucker, 10 inches. Bye, buddy. Shiner. I was getting it right in that thing's face too. Oh, it's biting me. Oh, got him. That's a nice one. Yo, I got another. I got a big one, bro. Got him, dude. That's so cool. Second ever in PB Northern Hogsucker. He was 12.5 inches. I'll just drop him back down off this bridge where I caught him. See you, buddy. Right back to the bottom. I'm not gonna try for that one. I'm pretty sure that's the one I'll let go. Oh, got one? Dude, that's a good one. Do you want me to net it? I'll have to run and get it. Dude. Nice, bro. What do you think he is, like 11?
Probably, yeah.
He's nipping at my wormy. Oh, got him.
He doubled up.
Yeah. Dude, this one's fighting good. Get up here. Oh! He just came unhooked, dude.
Oh, he's spilling on you, bro.
Dude, this double up pick's about to go crazy. Got this 11.5-inch one. Hi, buddy. He's biting, yeah, big one's biting. Oh, got him, dude. Dude, that's a nice one.
It might be a PB right there.
Yeah, my PB is 12 inches. Oh, dude, look at that shit.
Snag.
Got another gorgeous hogsucker here, 12.5 inches. Super pretty fish.